All right, this na Menacgifts. This na just site where they use they send gift items abroad. Like, let me say you want to send gifts to someone abroad, USA, Canada, any country at all, you can come to the site and place the order. So this is just the site that you can use and place the order. What I'm doing now is just like a video. You get, this is just like a video that explains on how you can use the website. You get, so that's the stuff there. All right, so in the website now, we have the same day delivery. Yeah, that's the same day delivery. You can see the countries there. Same day delivery is, let me say you want to send items today. When you send the items, best will get it the same day, and it has many countries there. You can see USA, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom. So when you send the item, the best will get it the same day. Now we have the scheduled. That's international delivery schedule. This one now is like it's scheduled. It's not like same day. Do you understand? This one now, it might take 3, 4, 1 week, 2 weeks before the person will get the items. The difference is just that in same day delivery, the price there is much higher than the scheduled delivery. So that's the stuff there. So these are the other features that are in the website. So we're just going to check out the same day delivery. So you can see that shop now. You just have to click on that shop now. Now you see the countries there. So these are the countries that are there. So when you select one country, you will just have to search the city or the state. Anyone works. So when you click on a country, you can just search the city or the state. So look at it, type a city name. So when you type the city name or the state at all, you will see the products that you can send from that city or state. This one is California, you can see. So when I selected the California, it took us there. You can see. So this one is just like a notice about how to use the site. You can just select destination country to know the delivery price. You get, this is just like a notice for you to know. You get. So that's just the stuff there. You get. All right, so look at it now. For you to know the price, you can see that destination country. You get, these are just the products. So for you to know the price of these items, you can see that destination country button that is there. You get. So let's just go down. Okay, we are still checking the product out. You get. All right, so you can see that destination country. So when you select that destination country, you see the country. So when you select the country, that's when you see the price of the product. You can see this one is 65,000. You get. So that's as simple as just destination. When you select destination country, you select the price. You get. That's when you see the country, you see the price. So you have to select the product to proceed. That's if you want to make purchase for that product. So you have to do the same process. Choose the destination country, select the country. Now you just have to choose the ring size. You get. So when you choose it, you then select proceed. Select to proceed. You get. So you just have to select to proceed. So this is just like the shopping cart. So you just proceed to payment. So after this proceed to payment, you'll be asked to create an account. You'll be asked to create an account. To create an account is not difficult. You just have to put your email and then the password. So when you just put it, they will ask you to continue to check out. I've already created an account, so that was why they didn't ask that on here. So they will just ask you to check out. That's you. When you create this stuff, it will just take you here. So this is the delivery notice. You get things to know. You get, like, if it's a family house, you have to provide the full address. If it's an apartment, you have to provide the full the address with the apartment number. So here the email, you have to put your correct email. You get, because a tracking code is normally sent to the email, so you can use that tracking code to track the movement of your items. Then you can see the WhatsApp number there. The WhatsApp number is just you just have to put your WhatsApp number in case we have an issue with your order. We can chat you directly. You get to your WhatsApp number. So that's the detail we need from you. So after that, you just have to input the receiver's details. You can see receiver's name, receiver's phone number. You get. So that's the detail. On your own end, we just need your email address and then your WhatsApp number. We just chat you directly on WhatsApp. You get, in case if there's an issue in your product. So receiver detail, you have to put the phone number, the name, the full address. You get the apartment. You get postal code, delivery instructions. You get, then this gift message now is optional. That's if you want to send gifts. Like if you want to send the gift item with a gift message, you can just select it. It's 15,000. So you then write the gift message there. You get. So that's it. So after everything, you just have to click proceed and complete my purchase. That's where you will see an option where you make payments like your normal bank transfer. You get, it will just work. You just have to make your payments with your normal bank transfer. You get. So we are going to check this scheduled delivery. You get. So we've checked the same day. So look at the schedule. We have checked the same day. We are going to the scheduled delivery. You get. So we just have to select, see that shop now in that scheduled delivery, international delivery. Click the shop now. You will see all the products that are there. All right. So look at the product that are there. So this one is just a normal notice. You get to show you on how you can use the site. You get, if there's any issue, the WhatsApp button there. So you just have to, when you visit the website, you just have to read the stuff. You get to understand better. You get. So the video I'm making now is just to explain better on how you can use the site. You get. If you're having any issue, there's a WhatsApp button there, like at the bottom, so you can just chat out directly. So this scheduled delivery, for you to see the prices, you get, you will just have to say the same process. You select the destination country. Now you see all the countries there. You get. So these are the products, like the gifts product there. You get. So you have to select destination country. So when you select it, you see all the countries there. You get, this particular one supports many countries. You get, if the country you want to send to is not there, you just have to select that my destination country is not in the list. So when you tap it, you chat us directly on WhatsApp. Then we can finalize the stuff for you. So you have to select the country. So when you select the country, you can see the estimated dates when the item is meant, like when the receiver is going to receive the item, the estimated date, then the price as well. You can see. So you can just select the country. Let's say France. Okay, so we have the standard and the express. Express is much more, like the date in express is much closer than the standard, but the price is much higher. You get. So that's just the difference between the two. You get. So that's just the stuff there. So we should be checking the my destination country is not in the list. Okay, we checked for USA. The same process. You can see the estimated date. There you can see the price of the item as well. You get. So the video is just a video on how you can use the site. You get. So we should be checking the my destination country is not in the list. Okay. So when you tap that my destination country is not in the list, you will see a WhatsApp button. When you click that WhatsApp button, you then chat us directly on WhatsApp. So when you chat us, you can tell us the country you want to send the items to, and then we can finalize the stuff. Or we can finalize it on WhatsApp, or we can just add the country here, so you can come back here and then place the order directly from the website. You get. So look at it. Click here to chat us on WhatsApp. That's just it. Okay. So when you click it to chat us on WhatsApp, you get. So I think we're going to check the product. Like we're going to check one of it to proceed on it. So you just have to select the product. Just select to proceed. That's where you just click on the product image. So when you click the product image, it will take you to the product. So you just have to come here. You just have to choose your destination country, the place you want to send the items to. You get. So we selected Netherlands. Now you select to proceed. You get. You select to proceed. You get. So when you select to proceed, alright, then you have to proceed to payment. You get. It's just very easy to use. You get. So this is just the same thing. Delivery notice. You get. If it's a family house, make sure that you put the full family house address. If it's an apartment, put the apartment number. It's very important, so that the item won't be sent to someone else. You get. So billing, you have the email address, the one that will be used for the tracking. You get. The email is used like when you complete the payment, a tracking code will be sent to the email. You can use that tracking code to track the movement of your items. You get to know when the person gets to receive the items. Then your WhatsApp number, in case if there's any issue with the items, you can be texted on WhatsApp. Those are the two details we need from you. Then the other one, you have to send a receiver's details. You get. This it. You fill the receiver's details. You get. So that should be it. You get. It's very easy to use. So more countries will still be added in the same day delivery. You get. More countries will be added. You get. The site is very, very easy, and it's a legit website. It's a very, very good legit website. You get. It's a very good legit website. You get. So these are the, like, let's say for scheduled delivery, you can just select the menu side, you will see the stuff. Like this one is, it arranged them properly. You can see the flowers and bouquet. You can see the necklaces, rings, teddy bears. You get all these ones are arranged properly, not like all the products are in one place. More like the shop now we selected. You get, so when you select the flowers and bouquet, you just see only flowers there. You get, you can see it. You can just see only flowers there. You get, so that's the flowers there. If you select the other one, the rings, you only see rings there. You get, so that's just the stuff there. Then we have occasions, like based on equations. You get, you can see the track order there. You get, so I'm going to show you guys how the tracking is. Like the when you after you've completed the payment, how the tracking order looks like. So this is it. This is the email that you receive. You get, so with this tracking code now, you can track the movement of your items to know when the person gets to receive the items. You get, that's just the stuff there. You get, you use it to always come to the site, go to that track order from that menu side that you saw. They use there to track the items to know when the person receive it. You get, so that's just the stuff there. Is a very good website. It's very good and is fully legit. You get, so you can just click on track my order. So when you click track my order, it will take you directly to the site. You get, so this is the order. You can just track the movement. This one is delivered. You can see it there. You get, so that's the stuff there. So all this I did is just like a voice. The voice I'm making is just like a voiceover. Then this is a video that is placed on the site. You get, so for those that want to send gift items abroad, you can just simply go to the site, place your order, and then the gift item will be sent to the person you want to send the gift to. You get, it's a very legit website, very good and legit website for those interested. You get, so this is the full website. You get, so that's just the stuff there. Okay. Yeah.